you get her?
Well, I taught her, but she was technically in Mr. Siddick's room. All right, friends. Stop typing in the chat or you're gonna be sad. All right. We are dividing fractions still. Dividing fractions. Okay. One half divided by 6. Oh no, I just colored on my computer. 1/2 divided by 6. Give it a try, my friends. 1/2 divided by 6. If you'd like to work it out, feel free to raise your hand in the raise your hand thing. Paisley, your hand was first. Tell me, what do I do, ma'am?
So first you're going to put 1/2 and then I'm going to switch your division sign to a multiplication sign because it's multiplicative inverse. And then 6, the whole 6 would be 6/1, and you're going to want to switch that to 1/6. And then you're going to multiply those. So 6 times 2 is 12. And then you're going to multiply the numerators, and that's 1. That's your answer.
Good job, Paisley. 1/12. Show me your boards, friends. Did we get 1/12? Looks like I'm seeing the right answer so far. Your camera should be on, remember. I can't help you with Math RTI if your camera's not on. Logan. Good job, guys. What? Never been.
I've been in it's very fun.
All right. New problem. Not you, Logan. The other Logan. 8 divided by 1/4. 8 divided by 1/4.
Is it good that I can do this in my head?
I guess.
Without my hair?
Yes. You spelled my name wrong. Kayla. Said you spelled my name wrong. Oh. Fine.
How to spell your name?
Miss Mia, your hand is up. You want to work us through it? Tell me what to do, beautiful.
So you're going to turn 8 into a fraction. It would be 8/1. And then divide it by, and then you're going to write divided by 1/4. But the multiplicative inverse says you have to switch 8/1 to be 1/8 times 4/1.
All right, I'm going to stop you right there.
Equals
You only
48.
have, we don't have to switch the 8/1. That one's staying the same. Okay, so 8/1 stays the same, but we split the second fraction.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe I didn't understand what you said. So 8/1, and then it's times what?
Okay. So let's say
Instead of
Okay,
1
so
over
then
4.
8 times 4 is 32/1, which equals 32.
Yeah, so we put the second fraction, and then we multiply straight across 32/1, which is really just 32. Let me see your board. Stop typing in the chat, Logan and Landon. Let me see your boards. I should see lots and lots of 32s. Thank you, Mia. Landon, stop typing in the chat.
I'm joining it. So I just delete.
Yeah, don't put okay. Just don't do it anymore. Okay? You're done. Landon. Okay. 7 divided by 1/8. 7 divided by 1/8. All right, Ethan, I think your hand was up first. Tell me what I do, sir.
So basically, the first thing you would do is take 7 and leave it alone, and then use the multiplicative inverse to flip 8 over 1, and then put the multiplication sign. Then 7 times 8 equals 56.
56 over 1, and really it's just plain old 56. Woo, let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. Good job, guys. I'm seeing lots of right answers. What? Evan, stop saying things. I can't hear you. All right. Give it a try. 1/5 divided by 11. 1/5 divided by 11.
How I got a cut on my foot from a sock.
All right, Angelina, work us through the problem, please.
Okay. 1/5 divided by 11 equals 1/5 times 1 over 11, which equals 155. But it's 1 over 11 because you have to flip your second fraction.
All right, I should see 1 over 55, friends. You do the multiplicative inverse, and then it's 1 over 11 instead of 11 over 1. 5 times 11 is 55, and then 1 is over at 155. Let me see your boards. Let me see your board. Ow. Myself in the face. Let me see your boards. 155. Maybe. Oh, well, then you got the wrong answer, Mr. Logan. But that's okay. But it's important to listen to what I'm saying. Yeah, if you thought it was a 6 instead of a 5, you would have gotten 66, but it was a 5, which is why it was 55. Okay? You got the right answer if it really was a 6, Logan, but it was 5. Girls, get it together. All right. Okay, we're just going to try this for fun. Okay? No one panic if you don't know how to do it. Okay? We're going to try it for fun. I repeat, for fun. Do not panic. Okay? Try 1/2 divided by 2/4. Give it a try. If you can't do it, it's okay. You're just trying. Not the end of the world. It's the exact same steps. You're trying it. 1/2 divided by 2/4. Okay? You're just doing your personal best. If you don't get it, it's okay. I don't think you've really done this yet. We're just, giving it a try. Yeah, we're giving it a whirl. A little whirl. What's up, Paisley? Do you have a question?
Did we learn about that? Or we're just doing
literally
it to see what we
We're,
know?
we're just seeing what you know. I literally just said that.
Or,
Okay. You do the exact same steps, just the numbers are different, but you should be able, if you know the steps, you should be able to get the answer, okay? We're just trying it. If you get it wrong, it's not a big deal, okay? I just want to see how we do. I'm going to give you about another minute, okay? You still do the multiplicative inverse. You still flip the second fraction and multiply instead of dividing. So give it a try. If you don't get it, it's okay. I just want to see how you guys do. My nail just broke. Jaden, I shouldn't be able to see your screen or your board yet. I didn't ask to see anyone's board. I'm going to work through this one, Mia. But thank you for volunteering. All right. I'm just going to give it a try. Remember, if you don't get it right, that's okay. So I have 1/2 divided by 2/4, but I need to do the multiplicative inverse. So that means I make my division sign multiplication and I flip 2/4, and now it's 4/2. Then I multiply straight across. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So I get 4/4, which is really 1. Yay! We do the exact same steps we did before. We still flip the fraction and we multiply straight across. I got 1. Let me see your boards. Remember, if you didn't get it right, it's not a big deal. I just wanted to give it a try. I got 1, but well, why'd you change it? If you got it, good job. If you didn't get it, it's okay. Remember, I just wanted to give it a whirl. Sometimes it's fun to do different things. All right, let's give this one a try. 1/2 divided by 3/6. Good job, Mackenzie. Do it the exact same way we've been doing it. Do the multiplicative inverse. You just don't have to add a 1 anywhere because there's already 2 fractions. Just give it a try.
I'm just another fun. I just want this. This is. I put my can. I want this kind.
Yes. Yeah, it was really nice.
Would you say I'm talkative?
All right, friends, let's give it a try. Remember, if you still are a little confused, that's okay. We're just going to give it a try. So I do not have to put a 1 anywhere because there's already 2 fractions. So I'm just going to bring down my 1/2. Then I'm going to do the multiplicative inverse of my second fraction, which means I turn my division symbol to multiplication and I flip my second fraction. My 6 becomes the numerator, my 3 becomes the denominator. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 3 equals 6, which really equals 1. Let me see your boards. Landon, Logan, I'm not sure why we're all chatting in the chat. Okay, if you got it right, good job. If you didn't get it right, that's okay. Remember, we're just giving this a whirl. We're just trying it out. Good job, friends. Landon, if you type in the chat again today, you're going to owe me part of your recess, sir. Okay, you have typed in the chat more than anyone else. Just stop. If you're typing in the chat, spending all your time typing in the chat, you're not listening to math class, okay? All right, this is gonna be our last problem of the day. No. Mrs. Kneifel wants to explain it. All right, last problem of the day. 1/2 divided by 4/8. You do not have to type in the chat. Again, do not type in the chat unless you have a question. I don't know, a bunch of different things. Whatever hits your glasses can scratch it. I don't know. A sweatshirt's probably fine on them.
You know what clothes are made of paper, but you actually shouldn't fold them. Remember taking my brother to buy a taco. He said you shouldn't have it on.
All right, final problem of the day. Same thing as last time. I just bring straight down my 1/2, but then I have to do the multiplicative inverse of my second fraction, which means I turn my division symbol to multiplication. My 8 becomes the numerator. My 4 becomes the denominator. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 over 8 equals 1. Let me see your boards.
I had one.
Let me see your boards, friends. Yeah, that's because I keep on doing a fraction times 1/2. So then it just equals the thing. All right. It looks like for the most part, I saw almost all right answers today. So good job, even with that little bit of a new thing. So make sure you do your personal best and pay attention in math class today. We are ending about 3 minutes early. So read a book or check over your math homework. Do not be distracting to the rest of your classmates, okay? Good job. I'll see you guys all in reading today. Bye.
We